Prism Educational Society is conducting free skill development training programs with hostel facility, unemployed youth for backward communities in multimedia and animation courses. This training program is being conducted to own the skills among the unemployed BC youth to empower to compete in the job market. Interested candidates should bring following documents: photocopies of educational qualifications, SSC, Inter and degree, Aadhaar card, ration card or voter ID, 3 passport size photographs, income certificate latest, caste certificate. Course eligibility and selection criteria or process for multimedia and animation course. Details: minimum educational qualifications, requirement, Inter any group, priority will be given to higher qualification candidates. Other requirements: drawing skills, communication skills, basic computer knowledge, age 18 to 35 years. Interview: shortlisted candidates need to attend the interview for final selection. Last date for registration is 30th March 2022.